So in the last few videos, we have learned what is record type, how to create record type, how to create page layouts, and how do you go and assign the record type to a particular profile. Okay, I mean, how do you go and give access of a particular record type to some profiles. And we have also seen that how to customize the picklist field values based on the record types. In this video, we are going to discuss about the record types for the standard object. So the standard object, what I mean here is lead, opportunity, case, and solution. These four object. Okay, for this four object, lead, solution, opportunity, and case, we cannot directly go and create the record type. We first have to create something called business process. Okay, so if you are creating a record type for this object called lead, then there is a business process that you have to create first before you create the record type. What is this business process? If you go to setup, if you go to object manager and lead object and try to create a record type. See, this is the lead object definition page, correct? Same way like how we created the record type for employee object, I will go and create a new record type for the lead object. If you try to create a new record type for the lead object without creating the business process, you will get this error. A lead record type must be associated with a lead process. I was talking about the business process, right? For lead, it is lead process. You currently do not have any active lead process. You must create a lead process before creating a lead record type. Very simple. If you want to create record type for this object called lead, opportunity, case, and solution, you have to first go and create the business process. And for the lead, the process name is lead process. So how do you go and create the lead process? You have a link here. Check this out. Click here to create the lead process. So click on this here hyperlink, right? Click on this. I'm just gonna open this in a different tab. So once you click on this hyperlink, now it will take you to the page where you as an admin can create the lead process. Okay, just one extra step that you have to take before you create the record type for this four object only. All right, create the lead process. I'll tell you what is this lead process. Okay, first let's create a lead process. Give a name. Give some name called test lead process. Okay, give some description if it is required and click on save. Now I have done with the lead process creation. What I have to do here is I have to select the values, the stage. I mean, lead has a status field. I have to select what all statuses that I want to include in this lead process. You get it? So basically, business process is what defines what all statuses that you will be including in the business process. Don't worry, I'm going to give you an example in the case of opportunity. So I'm just going to go and save this. So I'm done with the lead process creation. Okay, so now because I have created the lead process, I can go back to this page. Okay, click on the record type here and create a new record type. Legally I can create because I'm done with the lead process creation. Okay, now the record type name, whatever you want. Okay, just have to make sure that you select the lead process that you just now have created. Whenever you create a record type for lead, you have to first create the lead process, select the lead process here like the test lead process that just now I have created, and then create the record type. Okay, same for opportunity. If you go to opportunity, let's go back to the opportunity. And one thing you have to remember here, see, for the lead, the business process name is lead process. For opportunity, the business process name is sales process. Let me show you this. Let's create a new record type for opportunity. And once you click on this new button, opportunity record type must have associated with the sales process. So for opportunity, this is sales process. For lead, it was lead process. And let's go and see what is the process name for case. For the case object, the process name is support process. Okay, let me go and create a record type for case object. Check this out, I'm there in case object. Okay, click on record type, new button, and here we go. The process name is support process. So for the case, the process name is support process, and solution object is basically not available in the lightning version, right? So if you search solution here, the solution object tab is not available in Salesforce lightning. But in order to create the record type for these 4 objects, you first have to create the business process. Okay, so this part is clear, like to create a record type only for this 4 object. Okay, don't worry about the other object like product and whatever other object you have like campaign and all. You can directly go and create a record type, but for this 4 object, you first have to create the business process and then tag the business process with the record type. Okay, technically this is the thing. Now in the next video, I'm going to tell you what is this business process. I'm going to give an example and we'll explain this, lead process and opportunity sales process and everything. Okay, so see you in the next video.